Move that beam up now.
All right, pulling it up.
All right, easy now, bring it up, big feet.
The discovery of this naval gun confirms the wreck's identity.
The ordnance is located near the starboard bow.
Copy that. Cross-referencing structural integrity data now.
Check the sonar readings at pin 3.
Reading confirmed. Slight anomaly detected.
We have a significant fluctuation right here.
That's a strong return. Correlate with the sonar data.
It's exceeding the safety parameters, Captain.
Look at the stress fractures here near the waterline. That's worse than we thought.
Recording the data now.
Pull the stern line tight. Watch the tension on the winch. All right, secure the yellow pontoon.
line on the starboard side. Roger that, holding steady.
Slow and steady on the port side. Copy that, easy on the ropes.
The pitting here is significant. We should prioritize this section for repair.
Did you see the readings near the bilge keel?
Yes, that area is also critical.
Move that beam up now. All right, pulling it up. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Levels are stable. Continue pumping the sludge. We're almost clear to the intake.
All right, the schematic indicates the load-bearing points here. We have to align the FRM 222B exactly as shown.
Understood. I'll mark the coordinates now.
All right, lift it steady. Watch the starboard side. Steady on the ropes. Keep it coming up.
Securing these relics is just the first step. We combine precision laboratory analysis with large-scale industrial.
Look at this corrosion right here.
All right, I'm pulling the chain now. Watch the dust. All right, easy now. Bring her down 50 feet. Take it down slow. Watch your spacing. We're clear on this side. All right, easy, easy. Set it down. All right, bring it down 5 more centimeters.
Clear on the left.
Okay, engage the wrench. Easy now, easy. Watch the starboard side. Holding steady, coming down slow. clearance on the port side.
Slow her down, she's swinging too wide.
All right, hold it steady now.
Hold steady on the lines. Easy now, easy. Clear the starboard side. Contact in 3, 2, 1.
Easy, easy, hold it there.
Clear the area, move it down slowly.
Copy.
Roger that. Almost done here.
Ready for service. Good work, team. Chow time in 10.
Easy now, easy. Keep it coming down. Watch the starboard side. All right, she's down. Secure the chains. Pull hard now, heave.
All right, she's almost secure.
Watch the line, easy now.